Now to a developing story. A U.S. soldier from Stowe is accused of trying to help ISIS kill his fellow soldiers and attack the 9/11 memorial in New York City. In a line now on the plot and the suspect and his ties to Northeast Ohio.
In federal court filings, prosecutors accused 20-year-old Cole James Bridges of plotting in detail to help ISIS attack and kill U.S. soldiers in the Middle East. The U.S. Army private from Fort Stewart, Georgia, thought he was communicating with ISIS, but it was an undercover FBI agent. Bridges is originally from Stowe and is also recently linked to an address in Akron, a high-rise apartment building near Chapel Hill, where neighbors were startled by news of his arrest.
Definitely not expect that from here, knowing that it's mostly an elderly community.
Federal prosecutors say Bridges, also known as Cole Gonzalez on social media, became obsessed with ISIS propaganda and went so far as to share U.S. military manuals and tactics for killing his fellow U.S. soldiers overseas, even diagramming with X's and O's on troop movements and how ISIS should fire upon soldiers, and included videos of himself in front of an ISIS flag encouraging U.S. attacks. But prosecutors say Bridges didn't stop there, also offering advice on attacking the 9/11 memorial and other targets in New York City.